will enough of the electorate think that we just need to vote once more for ignorance, populism, nativism and racism? And I'm afraid that, given recent events, it's perfectly possible that they will.
Jenrick didn't hesitate to say that he wants Nigel Farage as Prime Minister, and based on current polling and reform leading nationally, do you think it's still far-fetched to talk about Farage as being the next Prime Minister?
Jenrick was describing Farage in August of 2025 as someone who couldn't even run a five-a-side team, and that remains true. We have a really weird situation in this country, which I can see would be hugely enjoyable to observe from the other side of the sea, but it's not much fun to live through. So you've got this holy hat-trick of catastrophic political decisions and behaviours. You've got Brexit, you've got Boris Johnson, and then you've got Liz Truss and her ludicrous fiscal event. Nigel Farage was a huge fan of all three of those things. So the question you're asking really is whether the British public, or enough of the British electorate, will subscribe to that idea that the definition of insanity is to keep doing the same thing over and over again in the hope of a different result.